Hey guys, if you are looking for best espresso machine, you chose right video. Today we going to review top 5 best espresso machine on market. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this based on features, quality, prices, customers reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. This easy-to-use machine makes 1 or 2 shots of espresso at once. The stainless steel portafilter holds 18 grams of freshly ground beans, and the machine has a fast heat-up time, promising the correct water temperature for espresso in just 3 seconds. It also offers 3 different milk texture options and 3 adjustable milk temperatures, and the milk heating process can be done automatically so you don't have to give it your full attention. Plus, you can fit a large mug right under the portafilter, so your espresso shot can go right into whatever vessel you're using for your drink, rather than a smaller espresso cup. The exterior is made of stainless steel, and there are a variety of color options available if you're looking to match other decor in your kitchen or coffee bar. The simple care instructions make cleaning and maintenance pretty easy. The filters, filter holder, and drip tray should be hand-washed, and the exterior can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. Make sure to wipe the steam nozzle clean after each use. Now our second choice is Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Machine. This semi-automatic machine makes espresso, lattes, and cappuccinos. You'll need to grind your own beans, add them to the portafilter, and tamp them down, but after that you just need to press a button. This machine comes with a removable milk reservoir that can be stored in the fridge, or fully emptied and cleaned after every use. This is a simple machine great for people on a budget, or for using in an office space or vacation home. It doesn't have the bells and whistles that high-end machines offer, and due to the plastic components it may not last as long as more expensive espresso makers. Now number 3. Breville Oracle Touch Espresso Machine. This Breville model gets you whatever espresso drink you like with a minimum of fuss. Just ensure there's water in the 84-ounce tank. Use the touchscreen to input your preferred drink and settings, and watch the magic happen. There are 8 personalized settings, so the machine can remember exactly how you like your cappuccino. Plus, there's an integrated burr coffee grinder, so you can pour half a pound of coffee beans directly into the machine rather than grinding them separately. No need to measure out the grounds or tamp them into the portafilter either, it's done automatically. This machine is a permanent fixture on your kitchen counter or at your coffee bar. It weighs in at over 37 pounds and 17 inches wide. It's not an ideal pick for small spaces. Cleaning and upkeep are a breeze. Just press a button to run an automated cleaning or descaling cycle and change the water filter every 3 months. At number 4, Espresso Essence Mini by Breville. This no-frills capsule espresso machine takes up minimal counter space and requires almost no effort. It takes about 25 seconds to heat up the water to the correct temperature and pour out 1 or 2 shots of espresso. After 9 minutes, the machine will automatically turn off to save energy. The machine is designed to be used with single-use Nespresso plastic pods, but there are reusable options available if you are seeking a more eco-friendly solution. Just know that the machine itself is also made from plastic components, which may be more likely to break down over time. At number 5, Longhi La Specialista Maestro Espresso Machine. This is a luxury machine, and the price tag reflects it. This manual espresso machine has all the bells and whistles included for truly custom drinks. There are 8 different options for grinding coffee beans, 2 different ways to steam milk, 6 specialty drink selections, and 5 infusion profile settings that you can change depending on what type of coffee beans you're using. The removable water tank holds 67.6 ounces at once, and the coffee bean hopper has a capacity of 8.8 ounces at over 32 pounds and 16.5 inches wide. It's a permanent fixture that might be the centerpiece of your kitchen counter. All the product we mention are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.